Shady Falls project. This was a canyoning project from Bangalore Adventure School. The canyoneers at Bangalore Adventure School had already planned this a year ago. So they had bolted to set up an anchor at the top, and I was just tagging along this time. They had already rappelled there before, but they wanted to do it again so they could rappel over water.
This is the waterfall we are about to rappel from. So we are going to start there, rappel down till here. I'll probably be at the base of the waterfall. Let's do this.
We started early from Bangalore at about 4 a.m. We were at the trailhead by 6:30. Since we already knew the trail to the bottom of the waterfall, it was an easy hike of about 34 kilometers.
So that is the path which we went to the bottom of the waterfall. So now we are finding a way to the top to rappel down.
After making our way through the thorns to the top of the waterfall, we finally geared up and started the rappel.
So we finished the rappel, and now we are finding another trail to go back to the vehicle. So we are above the waterfall which we just rappelled, finding a way out from the top trail. That was a day well spent. So successful rappel. We came back to our vehicle. So that's all for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next adventure.